Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Israel YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be treating math question. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now and like this video. So back to the question. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 75. What is the largest number? What is the largest number? So get your pen and let's solve it together. So the first step is to get the three consecutive odd numbers in order to know the largest number. So step 1 is to assume the first odd number is x. So since they are consecutive odd numbers, the next two will be x plus 2 and the third one will be x plus 4. So what do? We sum up together. Let's add it together. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 75. That's the number we are given here, 75. So what we are going to do is to simplify. Let's simplify. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 75. So x plus x give us 3x plus 2 plus 4 give us 6. I hope you understand. Is equals to 75. So what do? Let's subtract 6 from both sides. So 3x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 75 minus 6. So 3x equals 6 cancels 6 because 6 minus 6 is 0. So there's no need of writing that. So 3x is equal to 75 minus 6. So 3x equals 75 minus 6 is 69. So 3x is equal to 69. Let's divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. So 3x over 3 is equal to 69 over 3. 3 cancel 3. So x is equal to 3 divided by 69 is 23. So x is equal to 23. That's the first. Out of the three numbers, that's the first. So to get the second, what do? X plus 2 equals 23. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add 23 plus 2. We already know the value of x. So x plus 2, what do? We already know the value of x, which is 23. We are just going to sub it. So 23 plus 2 equals 25. That's the second consecutive number, which is not the largest. To get the third, what do? X plus 4, we bring it here. So x plus 4, we already know the value of x as 23. So 23 plus 4 will give us 27, which is the third consecutive number. So the sum of the three consecutive numbers start from 23, 25, and 27. So we sum it up together. 23 plus 25, that's 48. 48 plus 27, that's 5. 1 plus 4, that's 5. 5 plus 2, that's 7. 75. So 75 is the correct answer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.